Hey guys, this is MORGBORG here with the unboxing and first impressions of the HyperTough 33-piece precision tool set. So, what this basically is a tool set that can be picked up at Walmart for $10 right now. It's kind of like, you can tell because of the way the package is designed, it's like a Christmas set, even with the little bow. Pretty nice addition. So it gives you a bunch of stuff. Picked it up for $10. Gives you a technical 17-piece technical repair kit and 14-piece hobby knife kit. I will get further into that later. And it also comes with the magnetizer, demagnetizer, and a tape measure. So on the back it shows us what's in here. So it says the set includes 17-piece technical repair kit, which is 1 aluminum precision screwdriver bit holder, 1 suction cup, 1 tray opener, which is a SIM ejector, 2 mini plastic pry bars, 12 1.1-inch precision bits, a slotted 1.2 millimeter, a Phillips 000 and 00, Y-type 000, 0.8 and 1.2 pentalobes, T3, T4, and T5 stars, and T6, T7, and T8 tamper-proof stars. It also comes with a 14-piece hobby knife kit, which is 1 aluminum handle and 13 razor-sharp blades. It also comes with 1 6-foot tape measure and 1 magnetizer/demagnetizer. So with that out of the way, let's just untwist this, the twist tie, and then the twist tie and the bow comes off. So now everything just comes out. I want to kind of keep it in one piece right now. So here it is, all the stuff. And this is the HyperTough 14-piece hobby knife kit. I'm not going to really need this because I mainly got it for the technical repair kit. I want to start repairing my own stuff, so, and I thought $10 was a good deal because I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on an iFixit kit. Then here's the 17-piece technical repair kit, which we'll take a look at. Seems to be a little bit of plastic wrap stuck in it. More plastic wrap. And then here's the magnetizer and demagnetizer. Demagnetize, magnetize. And then the 6-foot tape measure, which has a clip, so yeah. Kind of a basic tape measure. You're not going to really use this all the time, but it's good if you're in a pinch, because right now I do not have a tape measure, so this is going to be pretty nice. Instead of having to use bunches and bunches of rulers, school rulers, and then just this plastic piece, and that's all. So let's move that out of the way. And so I already showed you the tape measure and the magnetizer and demagnetizer, so yeah, I'm not going to open this up because it's pretty basic. Bunch of blades and the holder. I'm going to open this, however. It appears that there's like a zip tie thingy. I'm gonna cut that very quickly. There we go. So, I'm going to show you the stuff one by one. So, this in the bottom right is a suction cup which you put on the screen when you're removing it. These are the pry bars. Oops, bumped the tripod and dropped one of them. So here they are, pry bars with the little, go try and have that focus. There we go, you can see it's kind of bent there, so you can pry things off. One of them appears to be longer than the other. And then here is what the bits hook up to. I'm gonna leave that out. And here is the SIM ejector. Yeah, because before I would just use paper clips, so having an actual ejector is pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna demonstrate with this screw right here. Oh, cool. This whole thing like folds out. Very, very nice. They paid attention to detail here. So, it just slots in, magnetically attaches, and then very nice kit. I think this is the, gotta read it very close here. It's the 000 Phillips screw. Goes in the other way. And then I'm going to also pull out the T6 Torx. Yeah, I kind of bought this thing for more long-term use. Although I would like to possibly conduct some repairs in the near future with some of my devices. There we go, and it locks up, keeping it secure. So I'm just going to put this back together. Don't want to break it. So yeah, this is the tool set. Hyper tough 33-piece precision tool set. This box is kind of designed to be sort of disposable, you could say, but I'm gonna just hang on to it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Check out my new community tab that I created yesterday. Hope you enjoyed, and be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, peace out.